Do you know you can sow any seeds at any time according to your convenience? In this video, I am going to give you that trick. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shivangi and hoping all of you are doing good and staying safely and positively in your homes. Today, I am sowing some summer vegetable seeds like tomatoes, brinjals, okras, etc. Seeds have their own conditions and temperature to germinate. Mostly in monsoons and springs, when we sow seeds, they germinate very easily because monsoons and springs are very favorable for these seeds to germinate. Seed germination depends upon many factors, especially temperatures and soil. Temperature plays very important role in seed germination. Optimum temperature for seed germination lies between 15 to 40 degrees Celsius. Some seeds do germinate in cold conditions whereas some do good in warm temperatures. So let's dive into the video, and while sowing seed, I will tell you about the tips and tricks of seed germination and the factors on which seed germination depends. And before moving ahead, I would like to remind you to please subscribe my channel. I do make videos on gardening and DIYs. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. I do daily gardening updates there. So without any further ado, let's dive in. First thing first, we will discuss about potting mix. Here I am using coco peat and vermicompost for my seed germination. This is coco peat and here is vermicompost. I have taken 60% coco peat and 40% vermicompost. I have taken coco peat because temperatures are very high. Coco peat are moist medium and it will make our potting mix moist. And the reason behind taking vermicompost is nutrient, because coco peat will only provide moisture to the seeds. As we know, coco peat do not contain any nutrients, so we have to provide nutrients to the potting mix because seeds do take all nutrients from soil to germinate. These are the seeds which I am going to use today. These seeds are from ugao.com, and here are some which I bought from local nursery. You can easily buy vegetable seeds from your local nursery and you can also get these online. I will leave links for these products in description box below. I am only going to sow summer vegetable seeds. Here are onion, lettuce which I am discarding. Broccoli also I am not going to show. Brinjal, chilies, tomatoes, okra and cowpea. These are some seeds which I am going to show. Now it comes to pot. Here I am using plastic pots because they retain moisture. I am also going to use these tiny pots from Amazon. I will leave the link for every product below in description box. Do not sow seeds in bigger pots because when you sow seeds in bigger pot and after when you water that seed, then seeds might rot because of overwatering. Bigger pots do take more water. And don't forget to make drainage hole in your pots. There are some drainage holes which are quite big, so I am going to cover them with plastics. Place them at bottom of these pots. They will save potting mix to come out from these drainage holes. These are some Milton pots which I am also going to use. Just tap pot once so that any air bubble will come out. If you don't have these tiny pots, then you can use these mushroom trays to sow your seeds. But Don't forget to make holes at bottom. Before sowing seed, I am going to moist the soil first. Now, firstly, I am going to sow brinjals. These seeds are quite tiny, so I am going to make holes first. Now, here is a tip. While sowing seed, make hole according to seeds. As these brinjal seeds are very tiny, so I am not going to make hole more than ½ inch. You have to keep seed and hole in compatible ratio. For example, if your seed is ½ inch long, then you have to sow it 1 inch deep. I am just simply placing 3 seeds in each holes. Now, I am going to cover them with ½ inch of soil. If you place more soil on top, then these seeds will face difficulty to come out from the soil. And they may also decompose in soil. Now, I am going to show chilies. Now covering it with ½ inch of soil. Do not take hard soil for your seed germination. Now I am sowing cowpea. As these seeds are little big in comparison to chilies and tomatoes, so I am going to sow them little deeper. I will share update of these seeds on Instagram. Just simply cover the holes. Now I am going to show cherry tomatoes. Do not disturb seeds and just cover with ½ inch of soil. Now it's time for okras, ladyfingers. I am covering the holes. Now I am going to sow some watermelon seeds in this mushroom tray. You can also collect watermelon seeds from that watermelon you eat. I am just sprinkling seeds all over. And it's time for name tag. So here I am going to show you how I did. This flag from ice cream stick and paper I made. And place it in the pot. Now I am going to wet the soil once more. Just simply misting. Do not overwater, otherwise these seeds will misplace. You can also water it, but be careful, do not overwater. Now, where to place them? As temperatures are very high, so this point is very important. Do not place any of them in direct sun. Place them in good indirect light. And to increase germination rate, you have to create optimum temperature. For that, I have one tip. Just simply take one plastic bag and cover your seeds like this, and don't forget to add some holes so that they can breathe and air can pass. Here we created a nice greenhouse which will retain moisture for the seeds. At last, I am going to advise you one thing. Do not let your soil dry. When it happens, then due to excessive heats, seed may rot in your soil. So keep misting. Do not disturb this poly bag. After 4 or 5 days, you can spot some tiny water droplets all over here. Just remove once in 4 or 5 days to check water. That's it for this video. Hope you liked it. If you found it helpful, please subscribe my channel. I do make videos on gardening and DIYs. Don't forget to like this video and follow me on Instagram. On Instagram, I will share updates on these seeds. Comment down below what you want to see next. Until then, happy gardening. Bye-bye. Today, I am going to sow some summer seeds. Some summer seeds, such as summer ugega usme. Mist the soil